Hi, thanks for checking out our Peugeot 308. This one here is excellent value, priced to be the best on the market, and there's a couple of fantastic features that make this perfect car if you're looking for a Peugeot. This one here has the daytime running lights and projector headlights. You do get front parking sensors as well, of course, as rear. You've got your fog lights down the bottom, but as you can see across the nose, it's in excellent condition. Down through the side here, you've got a couple of bit of gutter rash around the alloys, but plenty of tread on those tyres, and down through the side is absolutely spotless. Coming into inside, you've got all the full service books just down there, and as you can see through the trim, it's in really good condition and finished off really well. Coming through inside the back, you've got your center armrest. You do have plenty of comfort inside with these full hug wraparound seats. LED tail lights as well. And through the back of the car, it's in really good condition. Up in the back, you've got all your carpet trim. You've got your spare wheel. It does have New South Wales current registration, which will come with Victorian registration. You've got all your LED tail lights through the back, parking sensors across the back, and as you can see, there's no markings at all on that rear bumper. Rear alloys are marked, plenty of tread on that tyre, and there's no marks down the side of this car that I can see. Coming through in the back on this side, these seat trims really thorough, thick material, makes it feel very comfortable and working very well. You got full electrics through this side, and these seats really supportive through here and through the base as well. Coming inside, you've got a really good display up here, which gives you a digital speedo readout. Really nice small steering wheel, full leather wrap. You've got your cruise control, auto wipers just over there, auto lights on that side. Your cruise control's just down here on the stalk. You've got your touch screen as well, which all the parking sensors work through there as well. You got phone connectivity and so forth. CD player down here, really easy to play with the music, and really premium in the way these are finished off. This is full like a stainless steel finish and very solid, even the volume knob through the car. You got all your climate control, which can come up through here. So you press this button up here, it does appear on the display. It is dual zone climate control. What that means is the driver and passenger are going to have two separate temperatures as well. You've got a few things there. It's just saying it needs a bit of air in one of the tires. You've got your audio through here, and a surprise, I didn't even know this until just then, you've got satellite navigation on this one as well. You've got all your apps through here, and you've got your phone connectivity. Coming down through in here, you've got storage underneath here with a 12-volt power socket. You've got your USB plug and AUX. Plenty of room down here for your phone. And one of the great things is it's really nice short shift, full leather through the top here, and very soft boot through the side. One of the other things is it is a Tiptronic, so you can use it as a manual if you choose to. Really good if you're going to overtake. And one of the great things, I've got kids, is you actually got to slide it to take it out of drive. You can't just bang it forward. You've got to go across and up. So makes it a lot stronger, safer for kids. Electronic handbrake as well. You've got a compartment through here. You've also got your cup holder. One of the cool things is you can actually flick it aside and you've got storage all down here. So really good if you got to hide your wallet or anything in the car. You've got storage through the center bit here, and all your service books are just over there. And you've got a glove box here through as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror. What that means is when you've got someone with their high beams on behind you, this mirror will dim as well. So really well appointed. If you're looking for something that's really cool, quirky, as your first sort of car or a second car or a family car, this is certainly one to have a look at. One of the great things about the Peugeot is even the quiet density inside the car. As you can see, the seals all there, the side here, around the doors. It is solid when you grab the doors and shut it. So you're getting a lot of quality finish into this vehicle. Other than one scuffy alloy wheel, it looks in like really good condition. And the only other mark, which has been professionally pencil touched up, is one just along here on the rear bumper bar. But that is the only blemishes around this car. So We look forward to speaking to you soon. Feel free to give one of our team a call. You can contact us on 5173 3888. That's 5173 3888. Thank you.